Hi, I'm Felicity, and we're going to be looking a bit more today at some addition and subtraction of like fractions. But this time we're going to be looking at fractions that total more than one whole. So as we've established before, when we're dealing with like fractions, the denominator always stays the same, and we just deal with the numerators. So as we can see in this example, we have 5/7 and 3/7, which will equal 8/7 because we're just adding those numerators. As you can see, 8/7 refers to more than one whole, which is an improper fraction. We can look at this pictorially. So for example, with this pizza, I have 1, 2, 3 halves, which refers to more than one whole and can be written like this. Let's look at some addition examples. So here I have a bar model to show my working. So I have 3/5 as shaded in here, added to another 3/5, which can be written like this. And the answer is 6/5 because 3 plus 3 is 6, and we've left that denominator the same. Subtraction works in the same way too. So here, represented by two bar models, I have 5/3. This is more than one whole, as we can see. If I were to take away 1/3, we can see we still need more than one whole to represent the total, and we're left with 4/3. As we explored in our last video, it can also be really useful to look at a number line so that we can help our children understand how we can add and subtract our like fractions.